Hi guys, welcome back to this channel and welcome to this brand new video. This is the part 2 of the Huda Beauty review and the 31st December 2020 vlog. In this vlog, I'm taking you guys around the city. We're actually supposed to go to a place, Kelly Kitchen, for dinner. That ended up being closed and we ended up having our dinner somewhere else, which you will see further. Anyone who wants to travel to this place, Kolkata, winter is the best time to travel. You'll love it. Because the other time of the year, this place is kind of heated up, so winter is the best time to travel to this place, Kolkata. It's also cold during winters, but we can make it by wearing a jacket and covering up ourselves. There are so many modes of easy transport access, but the only thing is you need to plan out the whole day. This place is so huge. I still have to explore so many places, and I'll do it just for you guys. And thank God I have a reason now to do something for you guys and for me. I love sharing my day and sharing my life and also cherishing the moment. Because when you look back, you're always gonna feel happy about it. So this is my favorite flyover to travel on. You'll see it is so huge. It is 9.46 kilometers and you'll see the view is so amazing at nights. There's all lighting all over the bridge and all lights, as you can see. It's literally lit up. So I want you guys to sit back and enjoy watching this video and how the city looked on 31st December 2020. Yes, finally the last day of 2020. So here we are at this place, which is Newtown Dhaba. This place was decorated so well, and I always love to sit on open area. And yes, it was also cold. I even thought of taking off my jacket, but you know what? I just put it back. I couldn't take it off. Alright, so here, before judging this foundation, as our main point of this video is, actually I went a little very tough with this foundation because, as you have seen the tutorial, alright guys, so I'm testing my foundation, my Huda Beauty foundation at 9:20. Are you guys ready? I actually ended up taking hot water bath after getting ready. The makeup with full face of makeup, and then I got ready, put on clothes, shoes, and then we left and traveled the whole city as you have already seen, and then ended up this place around 9:20. Now here, if you see, there's nothing on my face, but there's actually makeup on my face. The very first thing is the lighting, because the lighting is not that good here. It's different, not as we like it to be. Not for a good glam picture. And also all that wearing the scarf and the mask tightly on my face. So this is what I have on my face. There was no lipstick, but there's actually something on my face left. So I'm actually pretty impressed that survived. Alright, so if you already know or even don't know, he's my husband. And yes, this is how my face looked when we got back home. And yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this because it was a tough challenge. Alright, so I'm gonna give this foundation a 9.5, 9.5 from me. And thank you so much for watching.